Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I am getting ready to go over to the cutting garden to clean up my little shed. But I wanted to show you these pots with the petunias in it and see how the elephant ears have come up. So they came out really nice and they're huge. And so I wasn't sure if they were going to come up or not, but they did. So we will get ready to go over to the cutting garden. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back over here in the cutting garden and show you the new dawn roses. They bloomed. They're really pretty. You can see I gotta tie this back up, and some of the grass is coming back where we killed it. But I guess we'll have to till it up probably in the fall. What I'm going to do now is clean my little shed out. It's got all kind of stuff in there, pots and everything. It looks like that's a wasp nest right there, a mud diver. So that I had these extra little pieces of fabric my sister gave me. I used them as curtains in here. So it's got a lot of stuff in here that needs to be straightened out, and so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I hope you'll be able to see everything I do. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm in my potting shed, so you may not be able to see everything I do because my cord is not long enough. Hey, this is my hat that I got from the Dollar Tree. I figured since I'm in here, might as well put it on. So I think what I'm going to start out first is, I might have to take this hat off, but I think I'm going to start up here, work from the top to the bottom, and look. Look, I want to show you. I don't know if you can see this, but inside here, that's where you got to be careful. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to show you. Okay, there's a dead lizard in there. Okay, so I got to find, there's also some nails in there. So I need something to put trash in. I think I'm going to use this pot right here. Let me dump this out. Well, I guess I can't use that pot either because it's got a hole in the bottom. Let's try this one. I just didn't want to throw the nails into anything here. Let me see. I'm trying to find something that don't have a big hole I could toss these nails. This foggers, he had to defog it for bugs. Okay. I guess I can put all the little nails I see in here. So I don't want anybody to step on them. So I'm going to set that to the side. And this was something that I got at a thrift store. It's a little kerosene lamp. I just need a wick. So let's see what's in some of these. So many rocks. You want this? I don't know what to do with these. I don't want them.
I'm gonna bring a trash can around here. You throw it in the trash.
Okay. I'm not going to record everything because I might run out of time, but we'll go in fast motion. You know, these pieces of wood, I kept saying I was going to do something with them. Well, 10 years later, they still sitting up in here. So I might see if I'm gonna do anything with them or not. Some kind of craft, I'm always thinking. I'm gonna make a craft with that. And I haven't. I might keep a few pieces. I could make some little signs or something. And here's a wick to something. Now that looks like it broke off or something. So that definitely needs the trash. You want this?
Throw these away. You're not going to use these, are you?
I'll keep a few. I don't know why I think I'm going to do something with them. Okay. Oh, I got more than I thought. So I can clean up.
Huh?
I'm talking. I can clean up these pots and then they could be all ready. But I don't ever really do anything with these little small pots. But you know what? They might be good to have on hand in case I want to do like a little small Christmas tree or something in there. Okay, so here's an empty jar. I could probably put those nails in there, but I'm not. Here's a little pot. Oh, we got some feet. It goes on the on a large pot. And this is something I don't even know what this is. This is a nice little copper pot. I could clean up. I don't know what this is for. So I'm gonna throw that away. He might have been looking for this old-timey sprayer. And here's a little scratcher, I call it. Look, I kept this because it was 3 small ones together. I ain't done that with it. Okay. Now this is some sort of plant food. And it's probably still good. So I'm going to put that to the side with that pot. To ask him if he wanted this wick. A bunch of old rubber gloves. I don't need them. Look, some little water guns. I'm throwing them away because who knows what's inside there. And the basket too. Y'all know that was hard for me to throw that basket away. Since y'all know I'm a hoarder. And I guess that goes to the bottom of that. Yep, goes to the bottom of that pot. Here's some kind of hook. I don't know what this went to. He had it on something. And why I got a rock, I don't know. In case somebody come in, I want to bust them in the head. I don't know. Some of this food, this is for roses. I need to get me a bucket with some bleach and water so I can clean up all these old pots and stuff. Alright, So I'm getting all this stuff off the top out the way. And then I'll clean that off. Get all my shelves cleaned up. Make it look like a little house. Here's another little candle thing. Clean that up. I might keep it. And another watering can with another dead lizard inside. He must have been in there and then got it when he did the fogger. Oh, this is probably where they went when it started raining. I'm telling you, I'm sweating already. It's humid today. I'm just gonna. Sorry, my camera keeps moving around. I'm just gonna sweep up. Let me move up here so y'all can see. It's gonna be sideways, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna sweep up these shelves. Get all this stuff off of this shelf, and then I'm gonna check out the top shelf. And then I gotta also be on the lookout for critters. Okay, so let me move these pots out the way. I guess the main thing is I gotta watch out for spiders, but there's probably none in here. I'm gonna ask him to move that box there. It's got a bunch of old VHS in there. I don't know why it ended up in this when it could have been somewhere else protected. Okay, so all these pots, I guess at one time, well, this is a clean one, had something in it. Yep, this is another one that's clean. I could paint some pots for y'all. I hadn't done any crafting lately. This one was clean, but it had spider web in it. So I'm just going to tap that out. And I hope everybody had a good holiday. We did. And don't forget, if you watch my channel, I have a giveaway going on. Got some drawings. Actually, they're digital art that my son did. And it's free. Doesn't cost you anything. It's just my way of saying thanks for watching my channel. Okay, yeah, this one is dirty. So that definitely got to go to wash out. This one's clean. I thought all the clean ones was up here, but I'm mistaken. Somebody mixed them up. That's a dirty one. This one is fairly clean. So I'll put this with the clean one. Y'all probably thinking, damn, they all look dirty. This one, somebody painted. But this is clean. I'm just going to set them to the side. Okay. All right, I'm not going to keep y'all long on this. I'm gonna come back in a little while and show y'all some of the progress, because I'm sure y'all don't watch me wipe dirt. All right, be back a little bit. Okay, I'm back for a minute. I got a lot of stuff out and put some more stuff in, and as you can see, I'm a hoarder, so I didn't get rid of all them little wood pieces. Okay, I put most of the tools and stuff back in here, a little bit more organized. I still have a lot of pots that I need to wash up, but I just wanted to get the junk out of here. You can see that the floor is somewhat empty. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it until I get it like I want it. I want to probably have to do some of the wall again, because it's starting to rot at the bottom, so that's why I put some of that wood right there. Let me show you what else we got over here. Just catching rainwater, and look, you can see those little things in there moving, look like pepper. Well, those are little tadpoles, so that we'll have a bunch of frogs here shortly. Maybe they'll eat some of these bugs. And so I did get rid of a lot of trash, so I'm getting ready now to tie my roses up. And see how big they got. I'm also going to try to feed them. I'm going to tie them up. This one over here, I think I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to look for another New Dawn. Well, actually, you know what? I ought to just dig this one up because it's no good. Okay, and then this one over here, it's got some new growth, but I don't like, you can see, I don't know if I like the way those buds look like something eating on it, so I gotta feed it and cut off the dead ones. Tie it up. Look at that pretty purple plant. Okay, and see, this one got real big too, so I'm gonna tie them up. But see, I'm gonna end up probably, once they die back, I'll probably move the peonies out of there and put something else, maybe, till we get all these daggone weeds out. So that's what I did today out here. If y'all wanted to know, the hedges seem to be coming back okay. There's still some dead, so we'll keep seeing what will happen. I know we supposed to get some more rain. That's why I wanted to come out and do something. But we'll see how they do. I'll have to decide if I want to replace them. That might be my best bet, because this thing on vine is still in there. I guess I'm gonna have to maybe next week, if there's no rain, and come back over here and put some more poison down. I think it's gotten even crazier with the rain. So that's all I have for you today. Pretty soon we're going to have the crepe myrtles over here blooming. Oh, I do have some daylilies over here on the fence, and this old rose, we're going to pull that out. But my daylilies should be blooming shortly. They got buds on it, and they're burgundy and gold. Okay, we're walking back around here, and that's all we got for today. So I will see y'all next time. Try to get back out here next week and do some more in my shed and in the garden.